I just cleaned my Can-In air filter for the 2014 Charger. Getting ready to put it back in. I'm about to put the air filter back in the car. Got to, this is screwed in. I have the screws out. You have to take the screws out with the screwdriver. And pull it back. Right up. Just take the air filter. Drop it right in. Make sure it's good. Of course, make sure it's dried off good. I did it before I put it in, but just want to make sure. I gotta put it back. Just put it back in. Get everything lined up right. Push it in good. Looks good. Tight. Okay. All right. Then we just screw it in, and then we'll be done. So you want to just.
Need to be like real tight or kind of
Yes.
tight.
Well, I'll get it close to. I'll tighten it up once I get them all in. But I'll get it kind of tight. I want them getting tight. That's probably good for now. And we'll do it to the other two.
This car is fun to drive.
It's tremendous.
I seriously don't have to screw
No,
those little things that snap in and out.
that's how most cars are.
Dodge is built better.
Yep.
At least the Hemis.
Last one. Okay. Yeah, the screwdriver might be a little bit. Okay.
There you go.
Good and tight. Should be tight. Tighten these up. Good. And the last one. There we go. And we're done. And good for another 50,000 miles.